Tape script 11.2. Fact or fiction? 1.
Lightning never strikes in the same place twice.
This is completely untrue. Lightning often strikes in the same place over and over again. High trees, tall buildings, mountain tops. In fact, the purpose of lightning conductors is to be struck time and time again.
2.
Hurricanes always have ladies' names.
This used to be true. From 1953 to 1979, only female names were used, but now both men's and women's names are used. One name for each letter of the alphabet. The same lists are reused every 6 years. These are the first 6 names for 2012. Alberto, Beryl, Chris, Debbie, Ernesto, Florence.
3.
Women have a higher pain threshold than men.
Some research suggests the opposite, but most people still believe this to be true, because women have to give birth. We will never know how men would cope with this experience.
4.
The sea is blue because it reflects the sky.
This is true in a way. The white light from the sun is a mixture of all the colours of the rainbow, but the air reflects blue light more than other colours, so we see a blue sky. Then, when the sky is brilliant blue, the sea is also, because the water reflects the blue of the sky.
5.
A penny dropped from a skyscraper can kill a person.
Not true. It might give you a cut or a bruise, but it's not likely to kill you.
6.
Hair and nails continue to grow after death.
Not true. This is an optical illusion. After death, the body quickly dehydrates and the skin shrinks, which gives the illusion that both nails and hair are still growing.
7.
Birds are bird-brained and stupid.
Not true. Some birds are the cleverest animals known to science. For example, crows are smarter than chimpanzees, and some parrots don't just mimic, but understand human speech.
8.
No two snowflakes are the same.
This could be true. No one has yet found 2 identical snowflakes. But out of all the zillions that fall, it is likely that 2 may be the same.
9.
Bats are blind.
Not true. Bats have excellent eyesight. People think they must be blind because they have a sound radar, which means they can hunt insects at night. But it doesn't mean that they can't see.